I believe Eyman is a plumber's plumber because we do a variety of things. No hot water, active water leak, leaking toilet, faucet repair.
With our modern sewer equipment, I think we have jumped ahead in the sewer cleaning game.
Things have become a lot more technical than the simple good old days.
We try to give you a good job, stand behind our work.
Some plumbing companies, they only do buildings. Eyman Plumbing does large customers and small customers. Licensed plumbers are affiliated with Local 16.
5 years of schooling from the local union and then School of Hard Knocks. There's no replacement for that.
Eyman has on-call plumbers around the clock for emergency purposes and or convenience of the business owner or homeowner.
There's emergencies and there's situations that come up 24 hours a day.
If you can't be home from 8 to 3:30, we have people that can go meet your needs after hours. If you own a business and you have a leak or you have a drain that's not draining, then we are able to come in to keep the money flowing through the door.
It's springtime. People flood their basements because their silcock is broken and they don't know it. The first time you use your outside hydrants, go in your basement and make sure it's not running inside.
With the quality of water that we have here in town, things tend to get corroded, run tons and tons of water down your sink line. A garbage disposal is meant to chew things up, but it's actually the water that floats it away. So lots of water, lots of usage, exercise everything that you have.